Okay, so I found the correct Phillips head screwdriver that'll fit. This thing goes in here like that. 1, 2, 3 of them. You got all three ready to get lined up. And what it says, a weather shield, front waterproof cover. It looks like this would be easy to damage just because it's sticking out. Like, I would have made it more flush to the edge of these things. It's kind of sticking out, so that's just me. I would design it a little bit differently. Don't want to over torque it. You don't want to crack the plastic. Snug. Yeah, this is kind of right here. Just look at the design. You know, you're kind of sticking out, something catches it. Bam, that might break, right? Loading into something, you might accidentally go like this. Crunch, crunch. That's my observation. If they want to change it, they can. If they don't, then that's just the way it works. Just a consumer seeing something obvious that could break. Now this would go here. Now this is a little bit more behind these things. So this is a little bit better, but I could see this potentially getting ripped right off, just loading it into you know, your truck or your van or your vehicle or whatever. And I don't hear anyone complaining about the covers, so might be a non-issue. That's just my observation. I'm always looking to make things a little bit more improved just from design, so that's what I see. That part is assembled. Okay, there's a fuse that's in here. Alright. The way it works, if you want to charge your batteries, yeah, plug this in and charge your batteries, but I'm not going to go that route because I think that's going to take way too long. So I'm not even going to go with using the charger. I'm going to go with a rapid charger. I already got a bunch of batteries from a lot of batteries. So I got 7.5. This is a lawnmower battery. This is a snowblower battery. This is a snowblower battery. And this is the 2.5 hedge trimmer battery. I already got 4 batteries that are fully charged. Now I'll put these batteries on our rapid charger. I'll go get that real quick. So we got a rapid charger. We got 2 of these, so I'm going to put both of the batteries, those 2, one on each rapid charger. I'm going to put that out here in the other room. So I want to see it in action now. Put this on the other charger. Here's the other charger. So now this one is for the lawnmower. It would be for this battery, lawnmower battery. Okay, they're both charging. So, next question is, I were just like, got this and I had these, and all of a sudden power went out, right? Power went out, boom, power's out. Uh-oh, now what do we do, right? So our natural would be to be like, hey, I'm just gonna put a battery on. 1. 2. This one is 3 over here. 3. 4. Okay, so now it's fully loaded with charged batteries. It should be that simple, right? There shouldn't be anything I need to do. Got to familiarize yourself with the instruction manual, of course. Alright, a couple of things here. Power button. Reset if you overload it, and it goes into overload protection. Switcheroo button here from this to this. Now I'm more concerned with, let's plug it in. Let's start playing with it. So, let's turn it on. Alright. And all these battery thingies on top, they're kind of blinking. Show you what they're doing. Right, they're blinking. They're like going through colors. Look at the colors are changing into. And right away, does that look like 88? Look like 88, right? 88 hours at 2,000 watts. There's 88 hours right now from what it's showing. So I'm gonna plug something in. Oh yeah. Working. Crank it up. And always on the fly, we want to be able to adjust, right? That's 4. It's working. There, nice and low. Nice, easy sanding. If you want to sand 2 things, they're both working. Just sand down, sand off.